YouTube family. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I accomplished this finger coil featuring design essentials and one of my new favorite products, Uncle Funky's daughter Curly Magic. So if you'd like to see how I accomplished this look, keep watching. Alright, so I am starting out wetting my hair. Just washed my hair, so freshly washed, but just re-wetting it. And I'm going to be using a leave-in conditioner from Design Essentials just to help moisturize my hair. After applying the leave-in conditioner, I'm going in with the Almond and Avocado Defining Cream, another one of my favorite products when styling my teeny weeny afro. And I just love it. It moisturizes and also defines at the same time, and it smells amazing. So I'm going to be also doing a side part. So I could never figure out like how you could get a side part or a part period with such short hair. But there's actually a trick to it, which I'll share with you guys at the end of this video. So I first put in the leave-in conditioner, and then I follow up with the defining curl cream, and then once that's added, then I go in with my Curly Magic. And I basically just take a small section of my hair and I work with small pieces of hair within those sections. And I basically just take a small piece of hair from the section and just wrap it around my finger. And this is a little bit different than what the method that I use for my wash and go. With my wash and go, I don't try to make it a coil all the way down. I kind of like shingle and finger separate with the wash and go, but with this one specifically, you want it to be a coil. So you'll need to wrap it around your fingers a little bit more than what you would normally do if you're doing like just a regular wash and go. So you'll see I'll continue doing this same process throughout my entire head. Keep in mind that you can make these coils to the size of your liking. I kind of went with the medium one. If you want to go bigger or go smaller, you definitely can. literally just repeating the same process throughout your entire head, and then I'm gonna show you how to make sure that the part stands out and it's defined, that your curls don't cover the part, because I wanted to try something different. So you'll see at the end what I did to help bring the part out. Okay, so I'm taking 2 clips just to be able to get to my part. And basically what I'm going to be doing to bring this out is using Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to be laying it on my roots right next to my part. And this literally changed the game for me, you guys. Like, I'm so happy that I learned this tip and I want to share it with you guys. But if you have really short hair like me, you want to wear parts or different things like that, this will definitely help bring it out. And then once you apply the gel, then you want to follow up with it with like maybe the tail of your comb or a small brush, just to rub it in and make sure the hair is actually laying down. Then once I am done with that, I'm just going to be smoothing down my edges. I use the Design Essentials edge control. Super easy, super quick. Don't forget to put your scarf on to help those edges lay down. And then once that's done, this look is complete. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.